Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Yamaha SR400. This vintage retro style bike, current year model, is in beautiful shape, 7,600 miles. Super cool, metallic blue. Price to sell just $59.99. We've got a sissy bar that goes with this bike. Kickstart. This thing is super cool, super fun, lightweight 400. Come on by, check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. It's like the old days. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.